We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to clear paper jam on an HP LaserJet MFP M525 printer. I'm also going to show you ways to avoid jams from happening in the future. Follow these steps. Alright guys, so the first step is to look in your output tray. That's going to be right here. So if you see the paper here, it's pretty easy to just pull it up and out. I do want to let you know, anytime you're clearing a jam, you want to make sure to go slow and be very, very gentle when you're doing that. Otherwise, you can damage parts or even cause more jams. So after you look at the output tray, the next step is going to be the back. Alright, so the next step is going to be the rear cover. So you just open it up right here. If you see the paper, this is pretty much the space that you have to work with. So pull it up and out as gently and slowly as you can. Alright, so the third step is going to be, you need to check under and behind the toner. So first you're going to have to remove the toner. Set it to the side. So if you see the paper, it would be right here. Be very careful because it could be hot. Just make sure to pull up and out and be very gentle. And then last but not least, the very last place you want to check is going to be your tray. So just pull that out, and the paper would literally be right here. So if you see it, just make sure to pull it out as gently as possible. Alright guys, that's it. So we have successfully cleared a jam and even learned ways to avoid jams in the future. Thank you for watching our video and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.